G'day and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making a truly special ingredient, confit garlic. This technique transforms raw garlic into something incredibly delicious. All you need is whole heads of garlic and a good quality oil. Today I'm using olive oil, but you can use any other oil that you like. First we'll separate the garlic cloves and peel them. This can be a bit tedious, but it's worth it. Now we'll place the garlic cloves in a small saucepan and cover them completely with oil. We want to make sure that the garlic is fully submerged. We'll cook this over very low heat for about an hour or until the garlic is incredibly soft. The key is to keep the oil at a gentle simmer, not a full boil. Look at that! The garlic cloves are beautifully golden brown and incredibly tender. And the oil is infused with amazing garlic flavour. Oh, I wish you could smell this. You can use this in so many ways. Spread it on bread, mash it into dips, add it to sauces. The possibilities are endless. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.